learning Spanish? Need some help? You're in the right place. Let's go. Important verbs in Spanish, set number 3. Ocurrir, ocurrir, to happen. Pasar, pasar, to happen or to spend time. Poder, poder, to be able or to can. Poner, poner, to put. Ponerse a, to start doing something. Querer, querer, to want or to love. Quisiera, quisiera, I'd like. Saber, saber, to know a fact or to know how to do something. Seguir, seguir, to continue or to follow. Ser, ser, to be. So how can you make the most of that video? I've got a couple of ideas here. Pin your ears back. Firstly, why not interact with it? Listen to it again, perhaps stop it and then repeat what has actually been said. So listen to it again and repeat some of the things which have been said. Great interactive practice. And secondly, why don't you make some written notes as well? The physical involvement will be so important. So once you've done that, why don't you go over to either Spanish GCSE on the net or howtolearnspanish.co, and there you can do some Quizlets. These are electronic flashcards which will bring your Spanish on absolutely a real treat. So go over to SpanishGCSEonthenet.co.uk or howtolearnspanish.co, and most importantly, have some fun. If you found that video useful, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel?